So hello students, today we will discuss probability. Okay. So here question is given. 3 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that they are king, queen and knave. Number 2 it is given, all of them are aces. And number 3, 2 are red and 1 is black and all of them are spades. Okay. So before solving this question we should know about cards. Okay. So as we know, in a pack of cards there are 52 cards. Okay. 13 from club, 13 from diamond, 13 from heart and 13 from spades. Okay. So means what? This heart and spade are in red color, huh? And these two are in black color. So means what? In 13th card means what? In 13th card there will be A to 10 S and a king, a queen and a knave. So total it is 13. So A means similarly it is, you can say 1, na? So 1 to 10 cards are there and this is 10, 11, 12, 13. Clear? So means what? In first it is given, we need to find out the probability of, what is the probability that they are king, queen and knave. So here it is given what? In a pack of 52 cards we are drawing only 3 cards. हम लोग 3 कार्ड्स उस पैक से निकाल रहे हैं. So what is the probability that they are king? एक king होगा, other one is queen and last one will be knave. ठीक है? So as we know, in a pack of 52 cards, एक king यहाँ से है, एक king यहाँ से है, एक king यहाँ से है, ये king यहाँ से है. So in a 52 cards, total king कितना है? That is 4 kings. So अगर if they are king, king means what? इस चारों में से कोई एक king आएगा. Clear है? So that's why it is given out one king can be drawn in 4C1. आपको एक ही कार्ड निकालना है, लेकिन पैक में कितना कार्ड है? 4 है. That's why it is 4C1. Okay. So actually the way of writing the position of 4 will be like this, huh? 4C1. Okay. So here it is also 4. Okay. So similarly one queen. So यहाँ पे queen भी 4 ही होगा, एक queen क्लब से होगा, दूसरा वाला डायमंड से and तीसरा that is from heart and fourth one will be from spades. So 4 king से एक ही queen आएगा, 4 queen से एक ही queen आएगा. So that is one queen can be drawn in 4C1 ways. One knave. Knave means jack होता है ना, that is called knave actually. So similarly यहाँ पे भी यहाँ से एक j होगा, यहाँ से एक j होगा, यहाँ से एक j होगा, यहाँ से एक j. 4 j है, that's packet में. So means what? Was from 4j, one knave can be drawn in 4C1 ways. ठीक है? So total number of cases. As we know the formula for probability, it is what? Favorable number of cases divided by total number of cases. Clear? So here the total number of cases will be 52C3. Why it is 52C3? Because total cards, it is 52 cards. From that 52 cards, we are drawing only 3 cards. ठीक है ना? So हम लोग 3 cards वहां से निकाल रहे हैं. So that's why total number of cases 52C3 ways. So here we can solve this part 52C3. So as we know, what is the procedure to solve this one? It is 52C3. It is 52 factorial 52 divided by factorial 53. Then into 52 minus 53 means 49. So as we expand this portion 52 into 51 into 50, नीचे 49 है. That's why हम लोग 49 पे stop हो जाते हैं. Then 3, 2, 1, 49 cancel. 3, 51 को cancel करने से 17 होता है. Then 2, it is 25. Clear? So after calculating or solving, the value will be 22100. Okay. So favorable cases will be 4C1. Here they are king, queen and knave. From king it is 4C1. For queen it is also 4C1 and for knave it is also 4C1. That's why 4C1 into 4C1 into 4C1. Okay, favorable cases. And total number of cases 52C3. So 4C1, the value of 4C1 it will be 4. Means what? NC1. Value of NC1 it is always N. Okay, so 4C1, 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 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 2210. So the value will be 0.0028. Is it clear to everyone? So next way. For again number 2, we need to find the probability that all of them are S's. So as we know, SS means it is A. Na? So SS means A means what? In that pack of 52 cards, SS will be 4. कितना आएगा? टोटल ए यहाँ पे 4 होगा card means what? A then A. तो total है वहाँ पे कितना है? It will be 4. So means what? Here required probability will be, you can write so वही तीन, अगर all of them are S's, we are drawing only 3 cards ना, so अगर तीन ही cards हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं, तीन ही वहां से S's से आना होगा. So means what? You can write here 3 S's can be drawn in 4C3 ways. Clear? 4C3 ways. Therefore, required probability probability 4C3 divided by 52C3. 4C3 divided by 52C3. So, we know how to expand 4C3. It will be factorial 4, factorial 3, factorial 4 minus 3. ना 4 minus 3. So, इसका पूरा तुम लोग खुद से सोल्यूशन निकालो. क्लियर है? उसके बाद here given 2 are red and 1 is black. 2 are red and 1 is black. So 2 are red. 2 are red. इसका रिकॉर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा? Two are red and 1 is black. So now, as we know, is club, diamond, spade, and what? एक मिनट. 2 are red and 1 is black. 2 are red means what? So here the total red cards will be 26. Why? It is 13, 13, 13, 13. So suppose this 13, 13, 26 are black and 13, 13, 26 are red. Red card. So 2 are dead. 2 are dead means if there are 26 red cards, so उसी में से उन 26 red cards में से 2 red आएगा ना. So इसका क्या होगा? From इसका favorable cases होगा 26C. 2 कार्ड निकाल रहे हो, that is 26C2. And 1 black means इस 26 black से आएगा, so into 26C1. 2 from 26 red card, 1 from 26 black card. Clear? And total number of cases 52C3 ways. So solve it yourself. Okay. After that, fourth one, it is given what? All of them are spades. All of them are spades. So here spades. Here 13 cards are there from spades. So means what? इसे 13 में से और 3 कार्ड आएगा. So required probability. So favorable cases for this. All of them are spades. So 13 total spades cards 13, and we are drawing 3 cards. That's why it is 13C3. And total number of cases similarly it is 52C3. Clear? So you just solve all these questions. Okay.